Hey, welcome to the Homemaking Exchange. I'm Diana, and in this video we are making no milk, no egg birthday pancakes. To make these, get a large bowl and add flour, sugar, baking powder, and salt, and then whisk those together until they are well combined. Next, add melted dairy-free butter, water, and vanilla extract. Then whisk it gently just until the dry and wet ingredients are incorporated and the large lumps are gone. Try not to overmix it. The batter will still have some small lumps in there. So you just want to make sure there's no dry patches of flour. Once you've done that, add your sprinkles and then gently fold those into the batter. The batter will be a little bit thick. You're going to let it rest for 5 minutes before you cook it. Once 5 minutes is up, go ahead and get a large skillet and heat a tablespoon or two of dairy-free butter in there. I heat it over medium-high heat, and then I drop the temperature down to just under medium before I add the batter. Scoop out 1/4 cup of batter for each pancake and add that to your pan. You can use the measuring cup to help you form it into a circle. Let that cook on the first side for 2 to 3 minutes until the top starts to form bubbles and the bubbles begin to pop. And then I flip them over and let them cook for another 1 to 2 minutes on the other side. Once they are cooked through and golden brown on both sides, go ahead and remove them from the pan and place them on a plate and continue the process with the rest of the batter. You probably won't need to add any more butter until you've done a couple batches. So just add your 1/4 cup of batter, let it cook on the first side 2 to 3 minutes until bubbles form, flip it over and cook it for 1 to 2 minutes, then remove it to a plate. As I mentioned, after a few batches, you may want to add a little bit more dairy-free butter. I'm just adding about a teaspoon this time around, letting that melt, and then just keep on going until I have finished using up all of my batter. Once they're finished, I like to serve these warm with more dairy-free butter on the top and a whole lot of syrup. The pancakes turn out nice and soft and fluffy without any milk or eggs in them. If you're interested in the recipe, you can find it in the description box. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.